Out in the street, they call it murder.
Yeah, people. Morning, we are in Crossroads now. Heading to Ugly Park Road. Good morning. Please, everyone, like and share and subscribe to the channel. We are near Eureka Road. Yeah. Heading down for that one way, you know. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. Whoa. Take the time. Alright, people. On our way now.
Daddy, that's her name is Morgan Debbie.
Is it Thompson?
Morgan.
Oh, the doctor that gave it those prescription. Okay. Half a tree road with patrol. Body in the man. Yeah, guys, I'll come and get green. Green mean go. Let's go. Yes, people. Can't get a blind brother. Let me show them. How's everyone doing today, people? How's everyone doing today? Me and little girl, they are parked on the road. You know? Hopefully we can get to go some different places. You see me, I say, people? Yeah, check some country route, some far route, so they can enjoy it, you know? Different environment. Look at that, people. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Nobody want to wait. Bus boy, everybody. No, sir. Beachwood Avenue with the people. Beachwood Avenue. You look Empress Abelai there. Go through now. You only have to drive, you give them blind sometime, you know, people. Can't take the road for yourself. Chop ready here. Nobody know how to wait, you know. Am I right away, brother? You know, you look if I understand my right away, you want to take my right away from me. Hey. Let's go now. Back up the road, people. Jesus, please. Bus boy there. Oh, God. Oh. Yes, guys, road festive. Everybody up and down for their business. Taxi boys talk anyway at all. Look, people. I saw them taxi man do them thing. Nice. They're not out anyway at all in the business. Alright. The medication make you want to see. Put it on the seatbelt. Put it on back.
I don't care.
ask some different. We're gonna talk to some more. We're gonna talk to some more points. So, okay, but there. Right about now, right about now. I'm not going to have a tree. I was going to half a tree, but I changed my mind. I'm going to have the park right about now. This is intersection between Maxfield, yeah, there's a Maxfield and Happy Park really. Half a tree road really. I'm going straight across. Guys, them road are bad. Them road they call mash up vehicle. Look there. Oh, so these are the bad roads that will come at you for drive pan. And I get to keep daily people drive on them bad road there. Not a good road. Oh, so, look for them road people. You understand? Say I get up, but no. These roads are disgrace. sleep. Medication work already. High five.
You want to see doggy? You see doggy?
What?
Doggy.
Doggy?
Yeah.
Where I see it?
Doggy. It's a doggy, yeah, man. Oh, okay. Oh, you never know? Yeah, the road boy. No, I'm a frost. Just get the medication I got for you, I'm a frost. Why that's why they have inspection and thing, is it what I'm saying? Yeah, pan a side there. Alright, cool. You want to take him out, yeah? I'm Jack him up. What is that?
Yeah, what is?
Oh, Hurricane, okay.
You do the care, yeah, man. You can. I do not know. You do the care. You see them
Oh.
bro.
Mhm.
But the man that do that, you know,
Oh.
yeah, you know my mind tell me though, mind tell me though. I know you are sheep yesterday.
No, man. No, I'm medication. I'm going to be all right. Nobody wanna see you. We can't make. Nobody wanna see you. Yeah, you know. All right, that's it. See.
Them place they no solid. Them place they are no. You have to well up.
Both sides of the food, man. I'm both sides of the food.
You make him skin out here.
Alright.
And kind of lower back this side.
Yeah. How cause if I'm bent so? The reason why I'm bent so? Or because I shot?
Because of this. Doggy no, Gabby. That dog said doggy. Hey, doggy.
Anyone going to go and take and drive out? Yo,
Alright, brother. Yeah, that's it for that.
Alright.
Alright, Gabby. Take care, yeah?
Come, Gabby.
Alright, Gabby.
Wait. So, Gabby, time to go home now, Gabby. Time to go home now, Gabby. Now, go buy my phone. Go sit back. Gabby, I have my seatbelt, Gabby. Read that. I have my seatbelt,
Why
Gabby.
you call that bicycle?
Eh?
Why you call that bicycle?
Yeah, the car going crash position now for crash. They're going to lean position for crash now, and if it crash now, one way I get hurt. I mean, what I mean?
And you say, you come near boxing.
You in a vaccine, eh?
I'm here, the watching some take me.
When me I push out, when me I jump out to if you in here.
No, and then we take out seatbelt and just don't open contact like this. And then you I want to get hurt because the guy phone, they take me in the window,
yes, it's enough. You get, man? What's wrong with you, man? What's wrong with your hairs, man?
What if that was
No. Why them have a sneezing and itching and nose. Next one is the Panadol for pain. If you have been a pain and I have fever, you can take that one then. As long as those symptoms are showing. So if you are running nice, you're sneezing and thing, you can take them. If you don't have none of them, you can take the Panadol. No, you have to take off the tip. No, read it for Gabby. That's not for pain. Yeah, that's for that. Panadol for pain and fever. You don't listen, Gabby. They are giving it if you have all those symptoms. Remember the doctor. Remember the doctor support you have running nose and sneezing. Doctor gave for that reason there. What kind of hay fever? You see? I don't know it's hay fever. Panadol? Wow, that's a 9. That's nothing like Gabby. Oh gosh. If the fever, so if you take it when the fever gone, you don't have to take it again. You take it when the fever is necessary. When the fever is yeah.
But then still it's not. No, I'm sorry, that's still helping.
If you don't see no fever, don't take it, Gabby.
They said necessary for pain and for fever. Okay, well done. 9.6 million.
No, don't to the infantry. You might have a boring, you might sleep and can't get it back. I miss out everything. Gabby, the only thing you have now, Gabby, is coughing. So that's one medication I only need right now. And the name? Broax.